Hi, welcome to my channel, Laura Elaine. Today we're making homemade vanilla extract. Here's what you need to make homemade vanilla extract. You need vanilla beans. I'm using grade A Madagascar vanilla beans. There are different grades and you can use either grade A or grade B for vanilla extract, and I've chosen to use grade A, which is a slightly better quality than grade B. You will also need some alcohol. You can use bourbon or rum, but vodka is recommended as it is tasteless and cheapest. You do need something between 70 and 90 proof. This is 80 proof that I'm using here. Then I just have a 1 pint mason jar and a BPA-free plastic lid to cover it, and a knife to chop my vanilla beans. And then at the very end of the process, if you want to give it as a gift or you want to put it in something more manageable to pour from, you'll need a smaller size bottle. I've been saving my old vanilla extract bottles that I've purchased from stores, and I'm going to, once this is all done, I will put them in these saved bottles that I have. And so I have my funnel here to help in that process. The first thing you need to do is to chop your vanilla beans into about 1/2 inch pieces. I'm using 8 vanilla beans to 1 cup or 8 ounces of vodka. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop these into about 1/2 inch pieces. Some people recommend that you slice down the vanilla bean, the length of it. You can do that. It's not necessary when using grade A vanilla beans. So I'm just gonna chop these into 1/2 inch pieces like that. As you can see, I've placed my 1/2 inch vanilla bean pieces at the bottom of my mason jar, and now I'm going to fill it up with vodka just to the 1 cup mark. That's the ratio we're using. Some people like to make it stronger, but I want this to be used as directed in recipes and not have to figure out cutting it down. Next, you want to give it a good shake after you've put the lid on and secured that really well. So I'm just going to give it a good shake, and then I'm going to store it in a cupboard in a dark place, and then every day for the next month or so, I'm just going to shake it daily. And after a month, it'll be ready to use, but the longer you let it sit, the better it will become. So if you could hold off for 6 months or even a year, it will be better than it will be just a month from now. You can reuse the vanilla beans depending on how long you have left them sit in there, and as long as they've been completely submerged in the alcohol. But if you want to give it as a gift, then I'd recommend taking the vanilla beans out so that somebody else doesn't have to deal with that, or they might not know what to do with the vanilla beans. So then definitely filter it, take the beans out. And to give it as a gift, it's nice to have it in a bottle that is easy to pour from. And so you could then use the funnel and put it in here after it has sat for, again, at least a month, if not 6 months to a year. Like I said, the longer it sits, the better it gets. Hope that was helpful to you guys. If it was, give me a thumbs up down below and give me any comments or questions you might have. Otherwise, like and subscribe if you haven't already for more content here at Laura Elaine.